The power of protein for muscle building.
Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. If you lead a busy life but want to stay on track with your fitness goals, prepping high-protein meals in advance can help. By planning ahead, you're less likely to miss your protein targets, making it easier to fuel workouts and speed up recovery.
Choose simple, protein-rich ingredients.
Focus on lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean beef, as well as eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, and legumes. These choices are versatile and easy to cook in bulk. Keep your pantry stocked with canned beans, tuna, or salmon for quick, ready-to-eat protein sources.
Batch cooking for the week.
Matt, cook proteins in batches. Bake or grill several chicken breasts, tofu blocks, or salmon fillets at once. Portion them into containers with cooked grains or roasted veggies. This method saves time, ensures you always have a meal ready, and keeps you on track with your protein goals.
High-protein snacks on the go.
Snacks can help you meet your daily protein needs even on the busiest days. Pack hard-boiled eggs, cheese sticks, roasted chickpeas, protein bars, or Greek yogurt cups. Keep a protein shake mix at your desk or in your bag for a quick and convenient boost whenever you need it.
Stay consistent and rotate flavors.
Consistency is key for muscle building. To avoid meal fatigue, use different herbs, spices, and sauces to keep your prepped meals interesting. Rotate protein sources weekly for variety and balanced nutrition. With a simple plan, hitting your protein goals becomes a seamless part of your busy routine.